Well, indeed it is fun, and we are amazed at what you got going. Smoke from the helicopter rolls it all around. Now, one of the things that we got to worry about, and the helicopter folks will know it, as the Iron Eagles come by, the helicopter folks will understand that you could get into something called mast bumping, and it would have happened right there in a normal helicopter.
Exactly, we know what happened. Exactly right.
But you don't do it because you've got shorter composite blades.
That's right. They're composite blades that are short, high RPM, and the rigid rotor system is what really makes it happen.
This helicopter has been modified in a lot of ways, and it's kind of a secret for you, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. We try to keep it to ourselves because we don't want any bells around. You know, a stock helicopter trying to do it because it won't, and we don't want give anyone bad habits or bad ideas.
Yeah, you've made an unstable aircraft even more unstable, haven't you?
That's true, but the whole idea of this is young kids out there can learn and look at what I'm doing and think outside the box like I did and make our aviation world better.
What on earth ever inspired you to get involved with aviation, Chuck?
My dad did to me, actually. He was a pilot